Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to teach usage of do, did, and does in English. Do, did, and does are commonly used in questions, negative sentences, and sometimes for emphasis. Let's break them down with a simple trick and examples. Let's move ahead on. The very first one is do. Do used in present tense. Use do with plural subjects like I, you, we, they to form questions and negatives in the present tense. It's used when talking about actions that happening regularly or facts. For example, in question sentence, do you like coffee? In negative sentence, I don't play soccer. In emphasis sentence, I do want to help you. Let's move ahead on the second one, does. Does is used in present tense. Use does with he, she, it for singular subjects in the present tense. It's used to ask questions or make negatives about other people's actions or facts. For examples, in question, does she work here? In negative sentence, he doesn't know the answer. In emphasis sentence, she does enjoy reading. Now let's move ahead on third one, did. Did is used for past tense. Use did with all subjects like I, you, we, they, he, she, it for the past tense. It's used for actions that were completed in the past. For examples, in question sentence, did you go to the party last night? They didn't finish their work. In emphasis, I did see him yesterday. Now we learn trick to remember. Do is used for present for plural subjects. I, you, we, they. Does is used for present for singular subjects. He, she, it. Did is used for past for all subjects. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Let's see some examples in sentences. Do they live nearby? Does he speak English? Did you see the movie last night? It's time to practice questions. Dash you like pizza? It's time to practice questions. Question. Dash you like pizza? Negative. He dash play basketball. Past question. Dash she call you yesterday? Answer of these all are: do you like pizza? He doesn't play basketball. Did she call you yesterday? How many did you get correct? Let me know in the comment. With these simple tricks and examples, you will easily remember how to use do, did, does in English. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.